Hey there, savvy investor. Are you ready to boost your crypto trading experience? Then you've landed in the right place. Let's dive into onMEXC referral bonus and see how you can make the most out of it. onMEXC stands among the top-tier crypto exchanges, known for its high-speed trading, extensive cryptocurrency options, and incredibly user-friendly interface. But did you know that by using the referral code 12K4M5, you sign up, you can unlock a world of exciting benefits? When you become part of onMEXC with our code 12K4M5, onMEXC referral bonus comes into play, which cuts you an instant trading fee discount. Imagine saving on transaction costs right from the get-go, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned profits. But that's just the beginning. Here's how the onMEXC referral bonus program worked to your advantage. 1. Instant trading fee. Discount. Use the code 12K4M5 when signing up to receive a reduction on your trading fees. Every little bit you save adds up over time. 2. Exclusive events. onMEXC often hosts events and bonuses for its users. With a referral code, you could access these lucrative opportunities even quicker. 3. Spread the gospel of savings. For every person you convince to join platform with your unique referral code, you'll receive a percentage of the trading fees they incur, making onMEXC referral bonus a continuous stream of income for you. 4. Unlock premium features. It's not just about savings. Sometimes your referral code can unlock VIP membership and other features that enhance your trading capabilities on onMEXC. Remember, cryptocurrencies like MX token, Bitcoin, and Ethereum keep your trading opportunities as dynamic as the market, and joining onMEXC with code 12K4M5 ensures you're on the cutting edge, getting more out of your trades. Every time you share the code, not only do you help friends take their first steps into the exciting world of crypto, but you also bolster your trading budget with the onMEXC referral bonus. So why wait? Sign up today with the code 12K4M5 and unlock the full suite of trading benefits on onMEXC. Let's make smart investments together. With every trade, let's grow not just our portfolios, but our community too. Don't let this moment slip away through your fingers. Use 12K4M5 and open the door to an enriched trading journey on onMEXC. Happy trading, and remember, with onMEXC, you're not just trading, you're investing in your future.